Pelycosaurs, the basin lizards of the Permian period. The Permian period lasted from 290 million years ago to about 248 million years ago. The Permian period was host to the supercontinent Pangaea, as well as the largest mass extinction known to man. But more importantly, the Permian was home to the Pelycosaurs. Pelycosaurs were described as mammal-like reptiles and are a major branch of the amniota or egg-laying tetrapods. For almost 120 million years, Pelycosaurs, along with related creatures known as archosaurs and therapsids, dominated Earth. The size of these creatures ranged from the small lizard to up to 11 feet long and weighing a massive 300 pounds. Pelycosaurs are a part of a paraphyletic group with 6 branches. Though these branches exist, all Pelycosaurs share a common trait: body type. This body type is one with a large belly and legs that were on the sides of the body rather than underneath. The attribute that makes them mammal-like is the fact that they were endothermic or warm-blooded. They were also a part of the synapsid group, which means they have a skull with extra low openings behind each eye, which gave them stronger jaw muscles. Most mammals are synapsids. The evolution and lives of Pelycosaurs is one that is precedent to all other known and understood reptilian tetrapods. Now let's learn about a few special ones. The most infamous Pelycosaur, which was often confused with a dinosaur, is the Dimetrodon. The Dimetrodon is said to be the ancestor of mammals. It was top predator because of its massive size and razor-sharp teeth. As if its large body wasn't intimidating enough, this basin lizard had a large spiny fin similar to a fish on its back that helped control its body temperature. Another type of Pelycosaur is the Tendospondylis, which was the equivalent of the Dimetrodon during its reign of terror. It grew up to 10 feet long and hundreds of pounds like its distant cousin, the Dimetrodon. This type of Pelycosaur existed during the late Pennsylvanian to early Permian era. Another known type of Pelycosaur was the Cassia. It was slow-moving with a round belly, which is why it was given its name, which means Latin in cheese. It grew up to be 4 feet long and weighed hundreds of pounds. The habitat of this Pelycosaur was the woodlands of Western Europe and was in existence during the Permian period. Another related Pelycosaur was the Cotylodohenchus. The Cotylodohenchus lived during the Permian period. This Pelycosaur was very large. In fact, it grew up to be 15 feet long and weighed approximately 1 ton. The Cotylodohenchus was said to be the most secure because of its size. All other predators were physically inferior to it. It is a close cousin of the Cassia. Although these great big creatures resembled dinosaurs, they were in fact the precursor to the mammalian existence as we know it to this very day.